My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well. You are welcome to my online class. Today's topic is voice sense. Today's topic is voice sense. Voice sense. Today's topic is voice sense. What is voice? Voice is the form of verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. How many kinds of voice? There are three kinds of voice. What are they? Active voice, passive voice and quasi-passive voice. What is active voice? Active voice is the subject is active or the subject is doer. What is passive voice? Passive voice, the passive form will be done. That is, the work has been done by somebody or something has been done to it. What is quasi-passive voice? Quasi-passive form is active in form but passive in sense. So today we will solve the problem from active voice to passive voice and passive voice to active voice. So if we want to solve the problem from active voice to passive voice and passive voice to active voice, we need tenses. In English language there are 12 tenses: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Accordingly, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Today we will solve the problem of present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. How we will understand it is present indefinite tense or another tenses? When we will see there is no auxiliary verb and there is only structure subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Today we will solve the problem active voice to passive voice. So active voices, active form subject, verb, object, and passive form subject plus auxiliary verb am, is, are plus V3, that means verb past participle form, plus by, to, with, at, plus object. So structure subject am, is, are, V3, by, to, with, at, plus object. Example: I read a book. I read a book. Here object a book. Object will be subject. So a book. It is third person singular number. It takes is. A book is. V3 read. A book is read. by. Here I will be me. I read a book will be a book is read by me. Active voice. We see her. We see her. Here object will be subject she. It is third person singular number. She is verb. She saw seen. Preposition by. We will be us. We see her will be she is seen by us. They play football. They play football. Here object football. Object will be subject. So football ball is played. Football is played by them. Football is played by them. Okay. Active voice. You write a letter. You write a letter. So passive form, a letter. Letter is write, wrote, written. A letter is written by you. Active voice. We see the mangoes. We see the mangoes. Here object the mangoes. The mangoes. It is the third person plural number. So here will be used are. The mangoes are. The mangoes are seen. See saw seen. The mangoes are seen. Preposition by. We will be us. We see the mangoes. The mangoes are seen by us. I recite the poem. I recite the poem. Here the object, the poem. The poem. It is third person singular number, so it takes is. The poem is. Here the verb recite. Here the verb recite. Recite, recited, recited. The poem is recited. The poem is recited by. I will be me. In case of solving the voice sense, we have seen the subject and the object will be objective form and object will be subjective form. So here seen, I will be me, we will be us, okay, you will be you. When we will solve the voice sense, we will see carefully, okay. Now home task. Now home task. Write down on your khata. They sing a song. We write a novel. We write a novel. You play football. I compose an essay. We see him. My dear student, after opening your school, you will show your teacher. Okay, no more today. Allah Hafiz.